Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we will solve another geometry question, and this question came in CAT 2002. This is a very simple question. So let us start with the solution. Okay, so we are just given a figure and we are given some relation between the angles and also the sides. So we are told that angle ABC is 90 degree. So I'll draw everything in the given diagram itself. This is 90 degree, okay, which is also equal to angle DCH. Okay, this angle is 90. Now this entire angle is 180 degree, right? This entire angle is 180 degree, so this will also be 90 degree. DOE, okay, this is 90 degree. That means this is also 90 degree because it's a straight line, or you can say linear angle. So the summation or the total will be 180 degree. One angle is given as 90, so definitely the another angle will also be 90 degree. EHK, this is 90 degree, so this is also 90 degree. FKL, this is 90 degree, so this is also 90 degree. GLM, so definitely this is also 90 degree. And L, M, N, N, okay, this is 90 degree. So this will also be 90 degree. Similarly, this is 90 degree, right? So now this angle is 90, this angle is 90, this angle is 90. Three angles are 90 degree, so the fourth angle will also be 90 degree. So basically this is a rectangle. Similarly, this angle will also be 90 degree because I have 1, 2, 3 angles of a quadrilateral are 90 degree. So the fourth angle is automatically 90 degree. Now we are told that BC and AB are equal to C. BC is equal to 2CH. Okay, CH and CD are equal. 2 EH is 2 times of, so basically EH, AB, BC are equal. Then HK, KL. Okay, so 4 times of KL. Suppose KL is equal to X. If KL is X, so what will be LM? We have given 4 KL equal to 2 LM. From here I can say LM is equal to 2 KL is equal to 2X. So LM is equal to 2X. What will be MN? MN will be, MN is 2 times of LM. LM is 2X, so 2 times of 2X is 4X. MN is equal to AB, AB is equal to BH, BH is equal to EH, EH is equal to FK. That means this is 4K. BC is also 4K. Okay, what will be CH? CH will be 2K. 2X, not K, 2X. And CD will also be 2X because CH and CD are equal. So 2X, 2X. This is all the angles are 90 degrees. So this is and the adjacent sides are equal. So this is a square. So this will be 2X. This will also be 2X. This is a rectangle. So this will be 2X. What will be HK? HK is 2X. HK is also 2X, right? HK 2X. So this will be 2X. This is X. So I need to find the value of angle FG, this angle. Okay, using trigonometry, tan theta is equal to perpendicular, which is Fi by Ig, is equal to what is Fi. See, the total is 4x, right? This entire thing is 4x. This is 2x. So this will definitely be 2x. So Fi is equal to 2x. Ig we have already found out to be x. So tan theta is 2. Theta will be tan inverse of 2. This is the required answer. So correct answer will be option 4. Alright. Coming to the second question. What is the ratio of area of ABCD? Area of ABCD is to area of DEFG. ABCD, if you look at ABCD is a trapezium, right? So area of trapezium is half into height, or half into sum of parallel sides. This is parallel to this. How do I know this is parallel to this? Because this angle plus this angle is 180 degree, right? Basically, if you have two lines, suppose like this, okay, and this is a transversal, okay, so this is suppose theta and this is suppose alpha. If theta plus alpha is equal to 180 degree, these two lines will be parallel, okay. So half into sum of parallel sides. Sum of parallel side is 4x plus 2x, which is 6x into height. Height is basically the distance, perpendicular distance between the parallel sides, which is 4x. DEFG. DEFG. Again, DEFG is a parallel, so not parallel, trapezium. So half into sum of parallel side. DG plus EF. EF will be 2x, right? So 2x plus 2x is 2x, 2x, 4x, 5x, 6x, 7x into height. Height is 2x. So this will be half and half got cancelled. X 24x square is to 14x square, which will give me 2 into 12, 2 into 7, 12 is to 7. So the correct answer will be option 3. I hope the explanation was clear. If you like the video, please feel free to subscribe and suggest you can suggest me some more topics from which you want me to solve the PYQs. Thank you.